is finger puppet show. Kakak first, okay? Kakak show you first how to play this one, okay? You see. Hi, Eliora. How are you today? How are you today, Eliora?
Hello.
Hello. Oh, you're 2 years old. I'm so big elephant. I'm 8 years old.
8 years old.
Yes, nice to meet you. Can I shake your hand? Yes, thank you. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Okay, wait, Kakak first. Okay, I want to go. Say bye-bye to me, please.
Bye-bye to me.
Bye-bye. How Elora bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
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 Now Elora, how Elora do? Come, put inside here the finger. This one, this hand. Put inside. Now Elora.
Hello, Puppet Show.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi, hello. And then? Hello. I'm dog. What is your name?
Eliora.
Oh, your name is Eliora. So beautiful name. How old are you?
9 years old.
Wow, 9 years old. So big. I'm 1 years old,
I'm
Eliora.
1 year old.
Nice to meet you. Can I shake your hand?
Eliora inside your
Yeah, shake hand please.
Hi.
Can I shake hand? Yes. Okay. Nice to meet you. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Where's Eliora finger? See you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Where's the Eliora? Where is Eliora Puppet Show?